I'm in and out for the day. Here's what we saw, right? We had this run up. I saw that we were super bullish during all overnight session, London session, Asia session. So that kind of gave me confidence that we're running up to take some type of buy side liquidity, and then we're going to reverse. We had news at 8:30, I believe, and then we had news right now that's going on at 10. It's 10:04, but I'm done for the day. We saw that we took out this liquidity. Once we took out both of these liquidities, I saw that we were slowing down. We had this big wick down. ES had the same thing going on. So I started seeing some weakness. I was waiting for something. I saw this little gap, but I was like, okay, we still haven't had a market structure shift. I'm not that confident in it. I'm not going to take it. My rules state that that's not what we're going to take. Once we had this market structure shift, we're still in this premium. I saw it. I put my limit order right here as soon as we created it. And then I was like, I was just going to risk 15 points. Popped in there, zero drawdown literally the whole time. And we just flushed right down to the lows, created a 928. And it was just an absolutely perfect and beautiful trade. The only thing that I would redo if I were to come back and redo this was, instead of putting my lows here, I would have put them here, because that would have made more sense. You know what I mean? The 5-minute low rather than the 1-minute low. So I lost about 8 points, but I didn't lose anything. This was a 4.5 hour trade. Absolutely phenomenal. This is what happens when you stick to your rules, you stick to your plans, and you don't int like I've been doing these last couple of weeks. So this was the perfect model, 2022 model. We sweep buy side, we see some weakness, reversal, boom, in, out. What I would have been doing, I know myself a little while ago, was chasing. I would have been trying to chase buys here, and then maybe I would attempt to buys here, because all I'm doing is looking for longs and not sticking to my model. But I stuck to my model and I'm good. I'm not sad anything about missing any of these moves. I knew the 10 a.m. would push it down because we've been super bullish, and we are in this 4-hour BISI and SIBI. So it's a balanced price range now also. And we took out buy side and we're rejecting it. We'll probably run down to here and possibly down to here. It's like I've been saying, we do need a retracement this week. We'll see. We might come down here and then push up, take all-time highs next week. But this week, I do believe that we're going to start retracing down a little bit, because this push is kind of crazy. And I just read something that the bond markets or something failed, and we just wiped out trillions of dollars in debt. So that's given me some indication that we're getting ready to crash. Like, all of this was preparation for the crash. And, the central banks, they knew what they were doing, and they're going to start selling off. Possibly, in my opinion, not financial advice. I'm not guaranteeing anything, but that's just what my gut is telling me. So I was very happy with this trade, 71 points. Haven't caught anything like that in a long time. I really, really needed it. We took one contract on NASDAQ futures, and it was beautiful, 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 beautiful. Very happy with it. I'm done for the day. Going to go help out my family with Thanksgiving stuff and edit this video, upload it, and we're done, baby. We're done.